Hey shippers, it's Brian from Refund Retriever, and today we're going to break down the latest UPS rate changes that are going to go into effect June 2nd of 2025. So if you're shipping large, heavy, or non-standard packages or dealing with rural areas or dimensional corrections, this update is going to affect you directly. So let's get into it. Initially, UPS split the additional handling charges and the large package surcharges into three categories based on the package's shipping zone. But soon, they will separate those charges into 4 zones as FedEx does. Essentially, this is kind of like a mid-year UPS price increase. First up, surcharges for zones 7 and above, those long-distance shipments, are going to see significant changes. Additional handling weight will be $55 per package. Additional handling dimensions will cost $38. Additional handling packaging or other will be $31.50. Then the large package surcharges for commercial addresses, zones 7 and up, are going to cost $260. The large package surcharge for residential packages, zones 7 and up, is going to cost $305. These are big increases, so if you're shipping further away, now is the time really to reevaluate your packaging and service level choices. There's also going to be a new remote area surcharge coming to UPS Ground Saver packages, but this is only for the contiguous United States zip codes. So even if you're shipping within the lower 48, if it's considered a hard to reach area, you're going to see a new fee. Next up is the shipping charge correction audit fee. This is going to change and not in your favor. So starting June 2nd, UPS is going to charge you the greater of $1.65 per corrected package, or 12% of the total value of all shipping corrections in a billing period. Currently the cost is only 8%. So this means that incorrect weights, dimensions, or service level mismatches could really cost you some money. Shipping packages over UPS maximum limits will also cost you more starting in June. This mistake will now cost you $1,775 per package. Yep, you heard that right, $1,775. This is really UPS's way of saying measure your packages carefully or pay the price. And finally, there's going to be a new $12 international collect on delivery fee. This is going to be billed to U.S. consignees receiving international shipments. It's another fee to be aware of when managing your cross-border sales. So these changes are going to impact your bottom line if you're not proactive. Now's the time to audit your packaging, minimize dimensional fees, validate your shipping data, and if you haven't already, negotiate your UPS agreement to get some new rates. And of course, if you need help identifying where you're losing money, Refund Retriever is here to help. We're going to monitor your invoices, catch billing errors, and make sure you're not overpaying. Reach out to Refund Retriever today for help. Thanks a lot.